Yo, so that is it for this video. It was a good day out. It was a long day out because I drove all the way down from Kent up to Norwich and then back again in the same day. The weather kind of turned at the end, so I quickly kind of finished up my piece and pissed off, which was a bit of a shame. Met some cool people and linked up with some people that I knew from previous, so yeah, it was a good second year up there. I think I preferred the first time we went up, which was the year before. A bit more of an epic day, more of a story to that one, but anyway, please like, comment and subscribe, and yes, I will see you in the next video, which is coming up soon. It's a Halloween job, so yeah, look forward to that one. Thanks for watching.